I can't believe it's finally happening.
Our anniversary trip. 2 years of marriage.
Paris, here we come.
Did you pack everything?
Twice. I made a checklist.
That's my organized wife.
What about our passports?
Right here in my bag.
And the hotel confirmation?
Saved on my phone and printed.
Perfect. We should leave now.
The Uber is already outside.
This is so exciting.
Best anniversary gift ever.
I've been dreaming about Paris for years.
I know. You have that Paris wallpaper on your phone.
I want to sit at a little cafe by the Seine River.
And eat fresh croissants every morning.
I hope this trip is just as magical as I imagined.
It will be. I can feel it.
Let's go. Paris is waiting for us.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Paris, 2 tickets under Thomas Reed.
Let me find your reservation. Here it is.
Can we get window seats if possible?
Let me check. Row 32, both window and middle available.
We'll take window and middle, please.
How many bags are you checking?
2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
Sure, here's the first one.
This one is 52 pounds. The limit is 50.
Oh no, it's overweight.
Just slightly. The excess baggage fee is $75.
That's expensive. Can I move some items?
Of course. You can repack over there.
My wife packed too many shoes.
I hear that a lot.
Let me grab something out there. Try again.
Perfect. 49.5. You're all set.
Thank you.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate B12.
What time should we be at the gate?
Boarding starts at 10:30. Enjoy your trip.
What did she say? Are we overweight?
Just by 2 pounds, I moved your extra shoes.
My extra shoes, they're essential.
4 pairs for a 5-day trip?
You never know what outfit needs what shoe.
I packed 1 pair. That's it.
Men have it so easy.
Hey, at least we saved $75.
Fine. Good thinking.
The shoes are in my backpack now.
Your backpack is already so heavy.
I'll survive. It's carry-on anyway.
You're the best husband ever.
I know. Now let's get through security.
I can't wait to walk along the Seine River with you.
And take a million photos at the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go. What did she say? Are we overweight?
Just by 2 pounds, I moved your extra shoes.
My extra shoes, they're essential.
4 pairs for a 5-day trip?
You never know what outfit needs what shoe.
I packed 1 pair. That's it.
Men have it so easy.
Hey, at least we saved $75.
Fine. Good thinking.
The shoes are in my backpack now.
Your backpack is already so heavy.
I'll survive. It's carry-on anyway.
You're the best husband ever.
I know. Now let's get through security.
I can't wait to walk along the Seine River with you.
And take a million photos at the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go.
Hi, what do I need to take out?
Please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag.
Okay, one moment.
Place them in separate bins.
Here's my laptop and my clear bag of liquids.
Take off your shoes and belt as well.
All done? Is this bin okay?
Yes, send it through the scanner.
Should I walk through now?
Wait for the green light. Okay, go ahead.
Oh no, did I set it off?
It's probably your jewelry. Please step aside.
I forgot about my bracelet.
Please remove it and walk through again.
There you go, clear this time.
All clear. You're good to go.
That was a little nerve-wracking.
Don't worry, it happens all the time.
Thank you so much.
Have a great flight, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Laptop and electronics out, please.
Done. Laptop and tablet both out.
Any liquids?
Just this small bag. All under 3.4 ounces.
Good. Walk through when the light turns green.
No beep. I passed.
Wait, sir. I need to check your carry-on.
Is something wrong?
There's something unusual in here.
It's probably the extra shoes.
4 pairs of women's shoes?
My wife's long story.
That's dedication.
He says they're essential.
I believe it. What about this metal item?
Oh, that's a jewelry box for our anniversary.
Can you open it, please?
Sure, it's a necklace for her.
That's beautiful. You're all clear.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift for a friend.
Of course. What kind of gift are you thinking?
Maybe some chocolate, something special.
We have premium Belgian chocolate gift boxes.
How much is the big box?
It's $45, duty-free, no tax.
That's a good price. What about that one?
That's our mixed box with truffles and dark chocolate.
Yum, my friend loves dark chocolate.
Great choice. It's $35, very popular with travelers.
I'll take one, and maybe some for us too.
We have a deal. Buy Jew, get 15% off.
Oh, perfect. 2 boxes then.
Would you like anything else? We also have wine and snacks.
I'll save the wine tasting for Paris.
Smart choice. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your trip.
Finally, coffee time.
I really needed this break,
Security was stressful, huh?
especially with 4 pairs of your shoes in my bag.
Huh? Sorry about that, honey.
It's fine. At least we're past security now.
I can't stop thinking about Paris.
What are you most excited about?
Walking through Montmartre in the morning.
And sitting at a street cafe with fresh croissants.
Imagine watching the sunset from the Eiffel Tower.
We should take a boat ride on the Seine, too.
Yes, a romantic dinner cruise.
See, this is going to be the best trip ever.
I also want to visit that little bookshop by the river.
Shakespeare and Company.
Yes, I saw it in a movie. It's so dreamy.
We'll go there on day 1, I promise.
You always make my dreams come true.
Here's your latte, dreamer.
Thanks, babe. What time do we board?
10:30. We still have 45 minutes.
Perfect. Time to enjoy this moment. Wait, did you hear that announcement?
Something about our flight?
They said gate change from B12 to what? I think they said D8.
D8? That's a different terminal.
Oh no, how far is it?
Let me check the map. It's a 10-minute walk.
And boarding starts in 15 minutes.
We have to run.
My carry-on is so heavy.
I'll take it. Let's go.
Why did they change the gate?
No idea. Happens sometimes.
Follow the D terminal signs.
This way. Stay close.
I can see D gates ahead.
D6, D7, D8.
We made it.
Just in time. They're starting to board.
Welcome. Boarding passes and passports, please.
Here you go.
Flying to Paris. Wonderful destination.
Our anniversary trip.
Congratulations. How many years?
2 years of marriage.
That's lovely. Seats 32A and 32B.
The window seat?
Yes, you'll have a great view during takeoff.
Perfect. My wife loves window seats.
Gate closes in 10 minutes. Proceed to the aircraft.
We will. Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your flight and your anniversary.
Look out the window. We're moving.
This is really happening.
Paris, here we come.
I can't wait to see the Eiffel Tower.
And the Louvre and the little cafes.
We have so much planned.
But today was already an adventure.
Overweight luggage, extra shoes, gate change sprint.
We handled it like pros.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
You know what I'm most excited about?
The food?
Making new memories with you in a new city.
That's the best part of traveling.
Look, we're taking off.
Hold my hand.
Always. She bought a villa.
That is a huge place.
Look at the swimming pool.
It looks like a hotel.
She is holding champagne.
She has a bright smile.
Her life seems perfect.
It is a nice photo.
Look at our apartment.
What is wrong with it?
The paint is peeling.
We can fix the paint.
The sofa is old.
But it is comfortable.
I feel like a failure.
Why do you say that?
We're the same age, but she has everything.
That is not true.
I feel stuck here.
You are scrolling too much.
I cannot stop looking.
It makes you unhappy. Put the phone down.
Just one more minute.
No, put it down now.
Fine.
You look very tired.
I am not tired.
Your eyes are sad.
I'm just thinking.
Thinking about her money?
Thinking about my choices.
Do you regret us?
No, not at all.
Then what is the problem?
I want more for us.
We have enough today.
Is it really enough?
Why do you doubt it?
Because I compare myself.
Comparison is a trap.
It is a painful trap.
It steals your joy.
I know, but it's hard.
The room feels heavy.
I ruined the evening.
No, you did not. Let's go outside.
Outside? It's late.
We need fresh air.
I don't want to walk.
Just for 10 minutes. Trust me, please.
Okay, get my coat.
The wind is cool.
It wakes me up.
Look at that moon.
It is very bright.
Sarah's life looks shiny.
Yes, like a diamond.
Photos show the best parts.
But her success is real.
Yes, she worked hard.
And she has everything.
She has a different life.
What do you mean?
Every choice has a cost.
What is her cost?
Let me ask you.
Ask me what?
Imagine you are Sarah.
Okay, I am imagining.
You travel every week,
That sounds exciting.
but you are rarely home.
I am not home.
No, you are in hotels.
What about dinner?
You eat alone or with business partners.
I cannot eat with you?
No, we are far apart.
I don't like that.
And think about our son.
What about him?
You miss his soccer games.
But I want to watch.
You are busy working. You also miss his bedtime.
Who reads him stories?
Maybe a nanny.
No, I want to do it.
Would you accept that?
Just for a big house?
Yes, for that lifestyle?
No, I would not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Why?
I want to see you.
Every day.
Yes, every single day.
And our son.
I want to be there.
To watch him grow.
Yes, that is important.
Sarah chose her career.
And that is okay.
Yes, it fits her.
But it doesn't fit me.
You chose family.
I am a family person.
We have different paths.
Neither path is wrong.
Exactly, just different. You see it now?
Yes, my mind feels much calmer.
Let's sit here.
My legs are tired.
What do we have?
We have a small car.
It takes us everywhere,
We have a warm bed.
and we sleep well.
Sarah probably sleeps little.
Stress keeps people awake,
I have you.
and I have you.
We never fight about money.
Because we live simply.
Simple is good.
Simple is freedom.
I forgot to be grateful.
Social media does that.
It makes us blind.
Blind to our own happiness.
I am happy, Tom.
I know you are.
I don't need a villa.
A villa is just bricks.
Home is people.
Exactly. Home is us.
But I still have dreams.
Tell me your dreams.
I want a bigger kitchen.
For your baking hobby.
Yes, to bake cakes.
That is a wonderful goal.
And I want to change the living room.
What do you want to change?
Let's buy a new sofa.
Ours is getting old.
I want a big, soft one.
Perfect for our family.
I also want to paint the walls.
What color do you like?
Something bright and warm.
It will feel like a new home.
We can make it beautiful.
We create our own happiness.
Just for us three, not for anyone else.
We move forward together.
Step by step.
No rushing. How do you feel now?
I feel lighter now.
The heavy feeling is gone.
Yes, totally gone.
Let's go home now.
Yes, it is getting cold.
The wind is stronger.
I need to warm up.
We are inside.
It feels so warm here.
Take off your coat.
All this walking made me hungry. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I want something hot.
How about hot pasta
That sounds perfect.
with hot tomato sauce?
Yes, steaming hot.
I'll boil the water.
I will heat the sauce.
Do we have cheese?
Yes, lots of cheese.
This is real comfort.
Real life tastes good.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.